Igbo ndị mana gị ntị kenekwa mụ na nke bụ eziokwu bụ na alike m ihe ndị Igbo anyị ka ndị Igbo anyị si raise their voice towards alụ na mpụ na aghụghọ Sowore chọrọ iji ndị Igbo wee mee. He just find it all joy ịkpali ndị Igbo. Every little opportunity Sowore nwe wele akpali ndị Igbo. Every little opportunity Sowore nwe to wele bombard ndị Igbo insult upon insult. Nwanne ya nwoke bụ Funnybone comedian ọpụtago bebe tikwu ọnụ na ya bụ okwu. Imanjizi onye Igbo ndị Igbo ji aja mba, onye Igbo ndị Igbo ji ewe n'ite isi na-ata ya ka ịtaliko ndị Igbo agbage nkịtị. It is not possible. And I like the fact that everybody is waking up. Everybody are waking up when you wake up and they speak against the injustice Sowore na put towards the tribe called Igbo. Kita obidogo kpalewa Peter Obi. Mgbe ọ na-akị ya njọ mgbe ọ bụ na Peter Obi pụtago for election Sowore ebunite ofe ihe kpalebia because ọ na-contest against nwanne ya nwoke, which I have said it several now. Ọ bụrụ mbụ Peter Obi na advisor Peter Obi, anybody close to Peter Obi, because let them tell him ya na ụlọ onwe ya pụtabala ndị a ugwu ya dị iri I like ya Mr. Integrity ka ọ bụ the only man na-asị onye ọbụla should go and verify. Sowore onwebe nke imenugo nwere nke pụtasị ndị bụ nje verify ya. Nobody can trust you with public fund. You have never been trusted with public accountability before. Continue with ihe na-eme and your revolutionary campaign against police brutality and injustice done to the Nigerian common youth, and you will be heavily blessed by it. It is in anya gị n'ebe ihe na-gbasara ogede. That is how people lose their credential and their goal and their stance in everything they do. People they lose it because na ha chọrọ ime ihe ebe aka ha na lụlọ. How can you see in a mail protest for ndị Igbo for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the same state Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si na humiliated the governor? Because you cannot do anything against Alex Otti. You can do nothing against the truth, but for the truth. Alex Otti abulugo somebody in the Igbo German now. So we cannot allow you to come and vandalize and vandalize Alex Otti. It is not gonna be possible, Mr. Man. I am happy to ime your man walk loge. Go and call out your local government chairman obodogi uzo na adronia. Your own village use adronia. You don't call your governor to order. You don't call your local government to order. Man, you like ni pokunu ni hana basaroge. This begin. I thank God people are beginning to question the cap of human being able. When you think we say ndị Igbo na trust kwa na Sowore ihe ọ na-asị na emele Mazi Nnamdi Kanu nke eme nke ọzọ. Sowore cannot be trusted with public fund, with things that have to do with public, especially nke ndị Igbo. Na ihe ọ na-eme ka o memina this lady bonitela okwu against ndị SARS. Onye ọ na-achọ ime ka o memina that lady nke Iruka. Kito yelokwa na ala abịa Alex Otti no for 2 days now on ha fire Peter Obi upon Peter Obi ka Peter Obi ha na Peter Obi selia onwe ihe mmadụ megi still na apọkụ n'ụzọ okwu ị na-eti ihe okwu n'ọnụ ka ịmali ihe ya asị gị ka ịmali ihe ya asị na Peter Obi kwunu mali ihe ya use against him obele ihe de idewe report iwele Sahara report page gị na-ebuli ndị mmadụ into silence nekwa case gị with Johnson Suleman na settlebekwana na akpụpụkwa gị court. Akpụpụga gị court the last time gị na-enwe problem ịbịakwa bịa yọọ ya biko still ibunikwa case ọzọ ihe ọbụla that have to do with men of God ndị Igbo ọ na-atọgwa ụtọ ka ịpụta iwepụta ya because you na-generate traffic from this man. This is the end of the road for you. Sowore nke anụ ama nwa ọkọlọgị so ha ndị Igbo aka ka ndị Igbo n'ọlụ onwe ha. Sowore people are beginning to question the cap of human being Igbo. Kedu abụka na 2027 galekwa Igbo after election achọwa because once imegidele ihe metente ndị Igbo ebe ọ na-afụ ụfụ, the first thing you will do is you will lose your voice. Because if ndị Igbo anara support gị na this country ọ bụla ị na-eme nwere isi. That is just who we are. Anyị soro n'azọ president o nwere ha soro n'azọ mana ha anyị aka ka anyị n'ọlụ onwe anyị ka ọ dịkwanụ.
So I bumped into a video online and it was about Sowore talking about Abia State and Alex Otti, how area one side is developed and one side is not. If you want to transform fully. And I was taken at aback. You see, before you address a particular subject matter, be sure that you know what that thing was like before the time you went there to see it. What's progress? Is that you move from point A to point D. Even though point Z is your destination, but at least there's a movement from point A to either point P. If you know that area market, if you know Aba, where we is now? If you understand Abia of old, and I'm not trying to shade anybody. My mother used to carry me to that market, Aba, to buy shoe pass. Rain don't fall for that market. The rain reached me here. I mean, I was young then. I was like 9. The rain almost reached me here. It was smelling. And I'm not saying this to trigger anybody here who's from Abia State. But not truth. Aba, you get when you go into Aba, you say, where are they so? What's happening here? As far as I am concerned, Alex Otti has transformed Aba for one, from point A to at least to a place where you say, there is a significant change happening in this state. And for that alone, I applaud him. I've not met him before. He doesn't know me one-on-one. When he was in the banking sector, I never worked for him. So I'm not doing this. This is not it's not promotion. It's not promo. It's from a place of, if you want to hold our leaders accountable, Alex has passed the test and should be, if you see him for the week, like for him, Baba, you don't work. If every governor can toe the line of Alex Otti, then we're headed towards something great. For a state, we don't really get, when they, get funds internally, like they do not really, generate any fund internally. And this man is dishing out good roads back to back. Christmas, I went from Omoyele to Abam. I can't remember my motto, the car. Entering one portal. It was a smooth sail. 7 years ago, I could not make that trip. I don't get it. My point is, if person do well, make we appreciate her. Alex Otti, well done. Even the gods of the land, they see your work. And I don't know why, why Sowore made that statement, or why he said that. And like I said, I'm not a politician. I don't want to sound like I am. But it does, for me, it does make me question. It makes me question the identity of the person who said that Alex Otti is not really working. It does me somehow for body. They touch my body. Because I see him. We, not me alone, we they see him. Alex is working. Alex Otti is working. Every state needs an Alex Otti. And again, for a state, when they really generate funds from, like tax, there's no internal revenue per se. And the man is working like this. Sowore. Nah, this one. Call it work. Alex.